Yes po, sir.
Oh, so yung sinasabi ni Mayor na research, that is your pinondohan, hindi ba dapat ginagawa?
Yes, sir. We are currently in the preparation phase for the conduct of the Goodman.
And to include onions.
Yes, all agricultural commodities, sir.
Oo nga. So will that answer yung question na bakit iba yung datos ng Bungabon at datos ninyo?
Sir, when it comes to the production po, sir, kasi when we did a harmonization meeting with the DA and with the other agency, the meeting resulted a discrepancy between the survey methodology, sir. Iba po yung survey methodology nila, iba po yung konsepto na ginagamit nila, and iba po yung reference period na ginagamit po nila. So, doon po kami nag-harmonize ngayon po, sir, with the Department of Agriculture.
So ngayon pa lang kayo mag-harmonize.
Matagal na po, sir, but we are on the process of harmonization po, sir.
Hindi. Ano yung timeline nyo? Kailan nyo hinarmonize?
We had a meeting po in 2023 to review po the collections, the data collection or the survey methodology po of the HBCDP po.
Okay, paliwanag lang natin. Kung 2023 pa kayo nag-harmonize, bakit hindi pa harmonize? 2026 na.
Sir, kasi po they have their own purpose of conducting their survey, which is more.
No, I understand. Pero sabi nyo, hinarmonize na ninyo eh. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa harmonized ng maayos kasi iba yung datos ninyo.
Yes, sir.
So, paano natin ma-harmonize na pareho datos nyo?
Nga po, sir, yung tinitingnan po muna namin doon sa survey methodology, iba po talaga sila, sir.
So, when do we expect something that will approximate, the same figures? Kasi,
Yes, sir. When
anong yes, sir? Kailan?
kasi, sir, when we do our data review and validation, before we release our estimates, we also collect information from other agencies like the DA. So, kumukuha rin po kami ng data from Damao.
Okay, my question is, pagka ginawa nyo lahat yan, maha-harmonize na ba yung mga datos ninyo?
Hopefully, sir po.
Anong hopefully?
Kasi, sir, we have to consider po kasi na we are using specific survey
Okay,
methodology.
ang point lang dito, hindi dapat nagkakalayo.
Yes, sir po.
Pero kasi dito, nagkalayo eh. Ang laki nung 308,000 to 245,000 eh. Di ba? Ang laki nung discrepancy. Di ba? So
Yes.
you're saying, dahil may pondo na kayo ngayon at meron kayong food survey, hopefully ma-harmonize nyo before the end of the year. Tama ba yun?
The survey on food demand survey address concerns on what is the specific demand, data
Yes.
demand for the.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So kailan matatapos yung survey na yun na pinondohan natin for 2026?
Sir, since yung pong pinondo nyo is yung additional po, sir, hinihintay pa rin po namin, sir, yung release ng fund from the DBM.
You're not answering the question. So assuming ma-release, kailan?
So we will conduct po the survey this 2026 and hopefully po we can release the data by 2027.
Okay, 1 year. Anyway, so medyo may discrepancy. Babalikan natin, ipaliwanag pa rin. Bakit